I hope so. Okay, so yesterday we came to Paklini Island. You visit the Hvar town in Hvar Island. Today the plan is, I hope you enjoy it. Today after breakfast I'm gonna drive you with the dinghy here in Paklini. It's Palmizana. It's actually marina and the bay, and you can walk across the bay to Vinogradište Bay, which has a lunch bar and also in the restaurants, and you can also go there to the botanical gardens. I will show you where to go. It's like 15 minutes, 20 minutes walk there, and 15-20 minutes back from botanical.
No stairs?
No, it's actually just a steep
Yeah.
like we would go across this island, you know?
Yeah.
So botanical gardens are like somebody planted some trees and stuff like so. You just have to walk and you look around. It's not that you have to pay or anything. It's just walk around and you'll see there's a lot. So after that we're gonna go towards south and come here to this island. Today we're gonna be on this part, as you suggested. We're gonna go in your bay and two others and anchor there for the night in the bay. This is it was a military island. It's in the entrance, one of the biggest islands in the entrance of the Adriatic, so it was strategically important. It was very military from Second World War. They had airplane emergency landing runway, which airplanes which were returning to Italy had the opportunity to stop here. They started their rappel agreement here on this. The Tito was here in the war, in Second World War, with we made the agreement with the Allies. Here how it's gonna go with the partisans and Allies and stuff like so. Island was when it was strictly army, has more army on the island than locals. They had 2,000 locals, but more than 2,000, minimum 2,000 army at all times on the island. It has guns on four places, and it's protected from all sides. If it would be attacked, so they could protect it. Okay. Locals couldn't go out of the island or on the island without a passport. It was strictly like you would go across the border, and no other personnel as the army could go there. Locals and army. You cannot go as a tourist or anything. Okay. That was until 1989. After that they started to let the tourists in. Okay. And you see, we're gonna go to Vis, and one day later we're gonna go to Bishovo to see some other things and come back to Vis, go to main city, Vis. But for today we're gonna be on this side.
Fabulous.
Right.
How long is the trip on the road?
Today we have less than 2 hours probably. It's 12 miles max.
We're gonna try and sail or motor?
Yeah, but it's not predicted a lot of it, so.
Motoring's enough.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes. If it's gonna be an opportunity, I'll put up the sails, yes. Like always. Today is day of the nature. You see botanical gardens and three beautiful bays.
Just watching the birds over on this island.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Also, there's a lot of small bushes. Rosemary and other herbs on this island. It's amazing. I don't know how to say in English, but it's also it's the green long leaf. It's like tribal. We call it tribal, but I don't know how it's in English. I'll try to.
Shrine.
Tribal. Yeah, it's
sage. No.
it could be sage. Yeah. I
It's
will
like
Google.
a furry leaf.
It's very.
Or maybe tarragon.
I will Google it and.
More excellent.
I'm okay.
That's
I'm
for
just doing
today.
yogurt this
If you
morning.
have any question like any other.
Thank you.